How to cancel AliExpress order. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can cancel AliExpress order. Can you cancel order on AliExpress? Yes, you can. How do you do this? The first thing to do, of course, is to log in into your AliExpress account. Once you're logged in, this will be your home page. Now, on this page, next thing for you is to navigate through to your orders section. And how do you get there? By clicking on the account icon located by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll see a menu will be displayed. Go ahead and select my orders. All right, once you've selected it, your orders will be displayed here. Currently, I have not made any orders on AliExpress. That is why this place is empty. So for you, you will see all of your orders, including the one that you want to cancel. So just select the order. And once you select the order, by the right side, you'll see the option cancel order. That is on the order detail page. Once you select the order detail page will be displayed. Click on cancel order. Once you click on it, a box will pop up asking you why you want to cancel the order. Select a reason and then submit the request. If the seller does not respond to your request within 72 hours, the order will be automatically closed and refund will be returned to your account. This is how you can cancel an order on AliExpress. So go ahead and cancel those orders you wish to now. Thanks for watching.